How to easily check if iPhone battery is boosted. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to check if an iPhone battery has been replaced, boosted, or is original using built-in iOS settings and third-party tools. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your settings and then you gotta click on camera over here. And here, if you see the option use volume up for burst toggled off like this, you can toggle it on. And once done, you can head over to the camera of your phone. So simply click on camera. And now what you're going to do is long press on the volume up button. And it will take number of exposures, so you can take like 50 to 100, and after that you can check if your battery percent has been dropped. If it drops significantly, that means that your battery has been replaced or there's anything wrong with your battery, and if not, that means your battery is legit and it's boosted. So that was basically how you can check if your iPhone battery is boosted. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.